Hello guys, let's understand question 20. Using the fact that sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B and the differentiation, obtain the sum formula for cosines. The answer is, given function is sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now differentiating with respect to x, d of sin A plus B upon dx is equal to d of sin A by dx into cos B plus sin A into d of cos B upon dx plus d of cos A upon dx into sin B plus cos A into d of sin B upon dx. Cos A plus B into d of A plus B upon dx is equal to dA by dx into cos A cos B minus sin A cos B plus dB by dx into cos A sin B minus sin A sin B, which is equal to cos A sin B minus sin A sin B d of A plus B upon dx. Hence we get the formula by differentiation of sin A plus B.